Hi, Joy. Joy.
Hello, teacher.
Are you
I'm
okay?
very,
What?
I'm very hungry.
Oh, you're a little hungry. Oh, no. Well, you can eat your dinner while we're having our class, Joy. Okay? So you can eat while we're having our class. So you can still participate even though well you're still eating. Okay, so what will you eat for dinner, Joy? Are you going to eat chicken? Noodles? What will you eat?
I, I don't eat noodle. I eat
Hmm.
chicken and hamburger
Oh wow, that's a lot, Joy. And very
and
delicious.
coca and
Oh,
and, and orange and orange juice.
oh, that's a lot. Okay, so enjoy eating. So you can eat. Tell your mom that you can eat while we're having
Fries.
rice too. Are you talking about Jollibee?
No.
Oh no, not Jollibee. Okay. So, well, you can eat, Joy. That is okay. So, let me share my screen. And for today, we'll have the continuation of our class. And here, wait, let me prepare it first. Oh, why is it? Okay, so now we'll have this one. I want you to answer it again, Joy, but this time I will give you the time. Okay, let us say 7. Okay, eat lunch at 12. Um, okay, 12. Okay, watch TV at, okay, let us say 6. And do homework at 8:30. Okay, so now I will ask you questions, Joy, but you have
I'm
to
very
answer me.
hungry.
Can you get your hamburger? Can you get
No,
your
I don't have
hamburger?
hamburger. I don't
Oh,
have
you don't.
hamburger. I don't have
What do you
hamburger.
have? What do you have? Yogurt? Do you have yogurt?
Yes.
Okay, you can have your yogurt. Get your yogurt, Joy.
I know that.
You can get your yogurt. You will
Hello.
not be hungry anymore. You can eat your yogurt.
I I have
What do you have? Do you have bananas, apples, oranges that you can eat? Do you have? What do you have? Oh, ooh. But if you are hungry, Joy, why eat ice cream, Joy? You should eat some. You can only eat ice cream after eating your dinner, maybe strawberry ice cream. That's strawberry ice cream, Joy.
pee.
Okay. Well, anyways, let me erase your writings. Okay. So now, can you tell me when does he wake up, Joy? When does he wake up? Can you answer in a complete sentence, Joy?
It's full.
Where did you get number 4? I
I like number 4.
know because you like number 4. Oh no. Okay. So my question, Joy, is when does he wake up? So you have to answer me. Wait, let me give you an
Trying to
example.
play
Okay.
with.
He wakes
Ah,
up at 7,
Triangle.
7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so that is how you answer, Joy. So you have to answer in a complete sentence, okay? Now, let us start again. Hi, Joy. What are you doing, Joy? What you doing there?
Drawing. I am drawing a dessert.
Oh,
Yay.
you're drawing a dessert? What dessert is that? What dessert is that, Joy? Is that is that a an ice cream? An ice cream cone?
No, it's
Oh
a
no.
prim.
Oh, okay. I thought it's a pizza.
No, not a
Okay.
pizza. No,
Oh no,
why?
not a pizza. Why pizza? We don't have
Why? It's
a
not a pizza.
because it's triangle, Joy. Triangle. Pizzas are triangle,
It's not
right?
a
So are you telling me that it is an ice cream cone?
pizza.
Okay, so
No.
now going back. When does he eat breakfast? Okay, when does he eat breakfast?
No.
Why no? Okay, so you have to answer just like this. You wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. So, you really want to eat? Do you want me to message your mom? Is your mom there, Joy?
I want an ice cream. I want an ice cream. Yeah. No, OE, OE. To eat an ice cream. Ah!
You want
No, I want an ice cream. My God, I like an ice cream. I want an ice cream. I want an ice cream. Hello, everyone. Hello, Teacher Ben.
so can you tell me what when does he eat breakfast?
Breakfast at 160, 100 high.
He
Yeah.
eats
Da, da, da,
breakfast.
da, 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 da. Oh, get up. It's not six. It's not six. No. It
When
is
does he
zero.
eat
Not
breakfast?
zero like this.
When does he eat breakfast, Joy?
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm
Oh,
hungry.
okay. When does he eat breakfast? He eats breakfast.
This is a dream. Look, look. This is what it is a. It is a. It is a. No. Oh, Look, this is rat. This is a I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry.
So, Joy, let us focus now.
Yes. I
Can you tell me when does eat breakfast?
eat breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
After 7:30. When does
7:30.
when does he eat breakfast? He eats breakfast at 7:30 in the morning. Okay, in the morning. Morning, Joy.
Morning.
Morning. Yes. Okay, so when does he go to school?
Why?
When does he go to school?
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
Okay. He goes to school at 8:15 in the morning. Okay, don't forget to tell what time of the day it is. Okay, is that in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, or at night? Okay, Joy? Mhm. Okay. So, so I go he goes to school at 8:15 in the morning. When does he eat lunch? When does he eat lunch?
We eat lunch at 12:30. Night.
Okay, not at night, Joy, in the afternoon. Okay, in the
I'm having
afternoon. Okay, so it's he eats lunch at 12:30 in the afternoon. 12:30. Joy, hi Joy. We eat breakfast in the morning. Oh, you are hungry. That's why you are not listening to teacher. Okay, we eat breakfast in the morning. Okay, breakfast, Joy. Breakfast in the morning. Okay,
in the morning.
morning. Yes. When we eat lunch, Joy, that is in the afternoon, Joy. Okay. Snack in the afternoon too. Afternoon. Dinner, Joy, that is in the evening. Okay. Remember those, Joy. Remember it. Okay, so can you tell me when
Hungry.
does
I'm very hungry. I'm hungry.
Oh, you're very hungry. I'm so sorry, Joy. I'm so sorry. Okay, so can you participate first? When does eat a snack?
And don't erase it. I don't erase it.
Okay, when does he eat a snack? Can you answer? He eats snack at
No, it's a castle.
okay. He eats a snack, Joy. He eats a snack at 3:15 in the afternoon. Can you say it, Joy?
Yes.
Okay. Can you say it again? Okay, let us have the next one. When does he play soccer? Look at this one. When does he play soccer? When does he play soccer? When does he play soccer?
No. No.
No?
It's it. Right now.
What? Why? Why? Are you okay? Are you? Hi.
Erase it with
Oh,
me.
what?
I want to erase it.
Oh, you want to erase it. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, we're almost done, so you can eat. But for now, we'll continue first. Okay, let us proceed to the next one. Okay, can you connect it here? Can you connect it? Go to bed, wake up,
Like that.
come home, and go to school. Can you
Please.
connect it? What
It
is
is a friend.
happening? What is happening, Joy?
I'm baby Bob. I want to eat dinner.
Oh, I see. But we have to learn first. 3 minutes more, Joy, and you can eat, okay? Yes, Joy. Can you answer this?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, can you connect it? Where is your pen?
Go to it. Come, come from.
Mm-hmm. Yes, bad.
Oh no, 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 so sorry.
Okay, next one.
Mm-mm-mm. What's it? Like no, no, no. No, no, no. No.
Hmm.
Come, go to school.
Okay. So, thank you so much for that. See, you're able to answer it, Joy. You just really have to focus. Okay. So now let us have the last one. When does he wake up, Joy? When does he wake up? He wakes up at 7:15 in the morning. Can you write 7:15 here?
Ah,
7:15. Yes,
oh,
7:15.
no.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you don't want to? I see. So I believe we'll just end our class. So I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much. And you can eat now. Joy. Goodbye,
No.
Joy.